Okay guys, just the third of the unboxings of my new unboxing videos on my Kyosho Mini Zs. So we'll just get into this pretty quick guys. There should be two things here from Japan, one from Germany and one from the UK, which is some accessories. So without further ado, let's get into this. Okay, right, let's get this box open. I'm probably better off taking all the stuff off this table first. And then looking into this stuff, so let's have a look. Okay, that's where the box is. Right, so I think the best thing would be is to take this stuff off. Let's have a look anyway. So, I think this is the stuff from the German seller. So the bubble wrap, okay, right. Yeah, this was shown with tyres and wheels, but I don't think it comes with it. It's one of them Route 246, but it's a nice BMW M3 with decals, with no wheels and no dummy chassis underneath it. But yeah, it's pretty hard to get hold of BMWs, I've noticed, so I thought it'd be a nice little look, because I have got one that's coming from Japan, so I could just keep one of the chassis for BMWs. Okay, well, that's not too big, I can leave that there. Alright, where should we go next? Let's have a look. Right, let's go over here. I think this one's a bit of a little beauty, so let's have a bit of a look at this one. Let's get a bit closer. Right. Figure out how to open this box first. And today is a scorcher, guys. It's a hot day. I'm in this conservatory and it's sweltering. So, okay. Yeah, and I had to pay customs on these, which was a bit of a shock because I don't normally have to. But these were different sellers. These are sellers I've not really dealt with before. Okay, oh right, okay, this is a little beauty. This is a little beauty, guys. And this is one of the rares from Japan, and this, I know I've said it quite a few times, but after my next big Japan order, this will be my last. So I don't know how to say that. Xanavi, Nismo Z 2005, and I've got a few Nismos and I actually do like that shape. I think it's beautiful. And here we are. Don't worry guys, if you can't see it properly, I'll put it in the display stand and we'll get a good look at it. Got blue lights or something, man, looks a bit different. Okay, that's that one. Put that on top of there. Okay, right, let's get into this one. We'll do that at the end. I think it's just accessories, I think. Let's have a look at this little bad boy. Quite a big box. I think there's only one body shot in here. And this was cheaper from this seller. I think it worked out to about £20 odd. But because I had to pay customs, and the customs was how much? Customs were £13, so whatever I did save, because the seller was selling for 45. So, oh, okay. Thank you for, I never bought from this person before. I don't know who this is, but that's like a little motorcycle or something. I put that to Haribo's though. Right, okay. Let's get into this. Well packed, obviously, he's got newspapers in the box as well. I always tend to say the bubble wrap just helps me when I put my stuff away for safekeeping. I don't have to go and buy some extra. Right, so let's have a look at this. I got this for if I do some future RC car chases. And you know, like my police cars, guys. And this is the Japanese version, which is the NSX police car. Okay, hopefully that light at the top works. And I think Japanese police cars actually look like this, how the high performance ones. So quite funky. Okay, and that's basically it. So put that there. Should I put it over here? I'll just show you the few accessories that I've got, guys, with this stuff. Nothing amazing, but there was just a seller that had a few things that I was interested in. So, got a pack of wheels. Might do them gold because they go nice with the Nismo shells in the gold. And there's quite a few of these sets of wheels which I've never had before. PN Racing ones, so they must be quite decent, half decent anyway. Okay, and there's different variations of wheels, guys. There's that style, 4 of them, which wouldn't look too bad on the Subaru. And oh yeah, and there's some top of that. This, I thought they were alloy, but they're not. It's like a blue wheel. It looks metallic. So yeah, and then there's just quite a few of them same white ones. Now the reason why there's the I believe these are from the Lamborghini Murcielago, so I didn't really have them as a set. The ones that I came with already had some upgraded wheels on it. Yeah, that's basically it. And there's just a few of these guys, so they've got them in different offsets. So I've got rears that are a bit wider, and the ones in the front which aren't very wide. That's basically it. So just all them sets of wheels, basically, guys. So yeah, just alright for just hopping stuff up a little bit, making it a little bit different, and that's basically it. So just a little short vid as well. And there's some buggy tyres, but I don't think I'll be using buggy tyres very much. That's basically it. Yeah, the set of them. So the reason why I want to, these white ones here, I could just colour them in with a metallic marker, make them silver, but probably go for gold, and then just stick them on any cars that I want to. So white's quite a neutral colour. That's basically it. So that's for this unboxing, guys. That's all there is. I'll put one on the display stand, guys, and we can have a better look at them. Right, obviously that one's in its packaging, you can see that as it is, but the ones that are in their cases, we'll have a quick look. Okay, guys, so here's this little beauty outside its display case. The display case does not do its justice, guys. And generally, I don't know if you've noticed, but I don't know how, but display cases are always dusty, seem to be marked up. I don't know if that's due to the fact that they're in storage, but anyway, but this is a little beauty. I love them 5 black spoke wheels. The blue lights in the front, which is a bit different. I've had another shell lattice, but this one just seems to have a bit of more of a flair to it, really, guys. A bit more exciting to look at. A bit of a nicer version. So this is the Hasumi Z 2005. They did this also, one of my favourite cars, guys, the G-Zox decals, which is the black and the luminous kind of orange. Amazing. That is one of my all-time favourite shells. And this is nice as well. So like, this has got the 5 black spoke wheels that has gold. But yeah, but it's just a historic car, man. Looks really nice. Yeah, so that's this little beauty. And the benefit is, guys, that I like to, because I've got a few chassis, rather than shopping and changing the dimensions of the car, I'd rather just have one that's set and get a few shells that I basically like that will fit it. And this is one of them as well. So at some point later on, I'll be doing the video of when performance cars go on road, and it's just like a little race and chase between performance cars and normal street cars. So yeah, okay, so that's that little bad boy, beauty. Take him off, and let's have a look at a Japanese police car. I didn't realise this. The police cars actually look like this. It's a bit of a shock. But yeah, I didn't think they had red lights. I just thought blue lights on emergency services were just like a must-have. But obviously in Japan that's not the case. It would have been awesome if that was the newer NSX. Well, the one that's the GT version, which is just mad. Totally blown out. Beautiful. And they've got a new NSX as well, which I have in like a metallic blue, and that's got a nice shape to it. This shape's obviously a bit dated, isn't it, guys? But it looked pretty cool in race and chase videos. So I thought, you know what? It's starting to get hard to come by, and before they actually become really difficult to get hold of, I might as well just get one right now. And that's what I did. So, and the last one, guys, is going to be this BMW, which is nice. Okay, So it has become rare. I am in the process, guys, of doing my rare mini Z's, and I've got through 2 boxes so far, big boxes. I've got a 3rd one left, which I've got to uncover. It's like hidden in blood stuff. And once that's done, I can do a 2 compilations. One of the ones that have become rare, and the other that are officially rare. So that basically means that Kyosho said that they've only made 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, 3,000. So that's officially rare. So a bit of both, because other ones aren't officially rare, but they're so hard to get hold of right now. Okay, thank you. Take you off there. But yeah, I've just noticed it's pretty hard to get hold of BMWs in general. All the time I've been looking, I've only seen ones that I used. This is like, these are the ones that were new that were still left, and then in Germany you can't get these in Japan. I did manage to get one in Japan that was black, and I was contemplating turning it into a police car because it looks pretty mean. And then again, just having 2 shells to run on them chassis is just a bit easier than just shopping and changing stuff. But I mean, it's nice. It's nice. I just would have, but the way they did that Red Bull Audi, man, that was just beautiful. You know, all the fins and flared out, and you know the way it was tapered towards the back and just stuck out. It looked mean. It looked crazy. And I really hope they do something out with the GT, with the MR3, with M3, but it never really happened. It's like a narrow shell, and it's not really blown out at all. Pretty straightforward. But yeah, it's nice. It's got decals. It looks okay. The other one I've got is just black, so it's tinted out windows and stuff. So that will be the next unboxing, guys. And then that will be it. Then I'm just gonna move on to, I've got some funky outdoor stuff I want to do. I want to get my cars to literally fly, right? Doing that. I'm also going to be doing my quads. I've got like an E-Max quad that looks crazy. You're going to have to see that, guys. And I vinyl wrapped it. It looks awesome. Have them with my 1/5 scale bikes. The ride is exactly the same scale, so it just looks nutty. So that's to come. Okay. And what else? And then obviously just trashing the X-Max a little bit. I've got a 5T. I want to do an X-Max and 5T comparison, so that will be something to do at some point. Right, guys, okay, that's all for this video. The next video will be my last unboxing of Kyosho Mini Z Japanese kits. And I'm capping it there, guys. Mini Zs have had their fun now, that's it, I'm done. Yeah, this house I've got isn't big enough to set a track up, so unless I find somewhere else to put it, I don't know what I'm going to be doing. I may just hold on to them, we'll see. But yeah, so I won't be getting any more in. I know I've said that before, but yeah, it's not really going to happen now. So the next video will be the last unboxing of my Mini Zs, and then it's just going to be out and about, guys, getting the slashes out there. You haven't seen my Red Bull slash, it looks beautiful. It's got a little roll cage, and the actual, you know, I like the Red Bull stuff, and that just looks beautiful. And I made a slash police car as well, which pretty cool. So stay tuned for that, guys. Yeah, and loads of stuff to come. Alright, guys, stay tuned. Thanks very much for viewing. If you haven't subscribed, guys, hit that subscription button and get notified as well, guys, by hitting the bell. You don't want to miss out. Okay, thank you very much. See ya.